Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install and configure Git on your Mac operating system. So let's get started. First of all, we will start with installation of Git. So open your favorite browser and search for git.s git.scm. So it will bring you to this git-scm.com. So you click on that link. So it will bring us to this page, which has the download for Mac here. So I'm using Mac M1. So I'll press download for Mac. So there are different ways of downloading it. We can use Homebrew using this command. We can use MacPots, which is a tool that can also help us in downloading Git. We can use Xcode, which is a tool which you can download and install from your App Store, and it allows you to develop in various languages on your Mac or operating system. So the easiest way that I've used is using Homebrew. So first and foremost, we need to install Homebrew. So if you want to install Homebrew, we go to the browser, to our favorite browser, and then we say brew.sh. So it will bring us to the Homebrew installation website. So you can see, if you want to install Homebrew, you use this command. Paste that in a MacOS terminal or Linux shell prompt. The script explains what we'll do. So you come and copy using you come and copy this, then go to the terminal, which is this one. Let's command space terminal, then we paste our command, then we run it. So it will request us for our password. So it's now downloading the Homebrew. Let's give it a minute that it does that. So it is done downloading the Homebrew. Updated one tap. Don't know if it downloaded it well. Let's just see if it has downloaded it well and just check. So if it has downloaded it well, it should be, if we do brew install Git, it should download. If it has not, then it has not downloaded it well. So let me just get aware of what's happening. So I had a different Homebrew that was an old one that was interrupting the new installation, but our installation is now this one was successful when we used our command here. So you just get this command and add it to the terminal and then run. So when you run, after running, you will find that the brew is now configured well. So let me just run brew. So you can see, when you do brew, you can see all the different things you can use brew to do. Brew install anything, like you can use it to install anything you want. So let's use our brew to, our Homebrew, to install Git. So we say brew install Git. So when we run, so you can see Git is being installed. Our Git is being installed. So as it's installing, we have Git and we also have GitHub. So Git, it's a version control system which helps us to keep track of the changes, like of changes that happen in files and folders that we want it to track. So it's an example, like it works like how Google Docs and Google Sheets work. So they keep track of the changes that happen on the different folders and files that we tell it to keep track of. So we can tell it to keep track of a certain file or folder, and it will keep track of every change that is being done there. So yeah, it helps. Then GitHub is simply a website. As you can hear, it's GitHub. It's a hub. So it's like it's a website where we store our files. We can store our files and folders, and we can like it also helps us to keep track of our files and folders on that website. So we upload our files and folders through Git to GitHub, which stores them, and it can help us to to see the changes in those files and folders, which are called repositories or projects. Yeah. So I also want to help you in setting up the Git. So let's just write Git and we see. So you can see Git is already installed. So when you write Git, it shows you, and you click enter, it shows you all the different things you can use Git for. That is a proof that it is installed. So you can see you can do git clone, git init, diff, log, all these like all these things, you like all these commands, you can run them using Git. So this shows us that Git is installed well. Just increase this. I don't know if you guys have been seeing what I've been doing, but yeah, let me. So this is it. Now let's just clear our terminal. So to configure Git, like to configure your username and email, you say git config dash global dash global, then user dot name, then you add your username the way you want. So let me add Moses. No, let me change this. Moses dot okay. Then I configure my email. So then I configure my email. So I come and change this. This is not name, but this is now email. Enter. So to confirm that the configurations I've gone through, obviously I'll change these configurations because they're not yeah. So let me, to confirm that I've gone through, is git config dash get user dot name To check the user.name, enter, so you can see it's moses.musoke. So to check also the email, you can see our email has been correctly configured. So that's it. That's how you set up, that's how you download and set up Git. Yeah, that's it using Homebrew.